Hi, second graders. Today we're going to read From a Coffee Plant to a Coffee Cup. It is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. You are on day 7 in your packet. Follow along as I read. From a coffee plant to a coffee cup. Here's a picture of coffee beans, and you'll know that it's coffee beans because underneath the caption says coffee beans. Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world. Many people drink it because it wakes them up. Others drink it because they like the taste. Whatever their reason, though, people everywhere drink it. To make coffee, people need coffee beans. People roast the beans, then grind them up. They are left with coffee grounds. People soak these coffee grounds in hot water. The hot water becomes coffee, and it is ready to be sipped. Where do coffee beans come from? They come from a plant. Coffee beans are seeds. The coffee plant grows fruits known as coffee cherries. The seeds inside of these cherries are what we know as coffee beans. The coffee plant first grew in Africa, but now it grows many places. Today, coffee plants are grown in parts of Africa, Asia, Central America, and South America. The seeds from these plants are harvested and sold around the world. That way, people everywhere can enjoy one of their favorite drinks. From a coffee plant to a coffee cup questions. Question 1. What do people need to make coffee for drinking? Let's go back up to the text. Do you see where it explains what people need to make coffee? Let's look for the key words need and make. Do you see the words need or make anywhere? I see it in the second paragraph. To make coffee, people need coffee beans. Ooh, so they need coffee beans. People roast the beans, then grind them up. They are left with coffee grounds. People soak these coffee grounds in hot water. I think they need at least 2 things to make coffee for drinking. Write down those 2 things on these lines. Pause and then come back for question 2 when you have finished writing. Question 2. Where on a coffee plant would you look to find the coffee beans? Again, we are going to look for keywords plant and beans. So we need to find the word plant and beans here. Do you see the word plant? I do in paragraph 3. Where do coffee beans come from? They come from a plant. Coffee beans are seeds. The coffee plant grows fruits known as coffee cherries. The seeds inside of these cherries are what we know as coffee beans. Come back to the question. Where on a coffee plant would you look to find the coffee beans? You would say the coffee beans are seeds found inside the coffee cherries. Notice how we go back in the text to find the answer. You're going to do questions 3 and 4 on your own. I will read them to you. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. Question 3. Where are coffee plants grown? Look in the text to find your answer. And then question 4, a big second grade idea we've been focused on. What is the main idea of this text? Or what is this text all about? Once you've written your answers to the questions, send the answers to your teacher so we can grade them. Good work reading today, second graders. Have a happy Tuesday.